Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, get pure acetone, cotton pads, aluminum foil, a nail file, and cuticle oil. File the shiny chrome top lightly to break the seal. This matters because acetone needs access. Saturate cotton with acetone and press it to the nail, then wrap foil snugly so it stays in place. Set a timer for 10 to 12 minutes. During this time, acetone softens the lacquer and chrome flakes so they lift rather than scrape off forcibly. Once the soaking time is up, remove foil from one nail at a time and press the cotton while sliding it off. You want the polish to come away with the pad. If small bits remain, use a wooden cuticle stick to nudge them off. You only push where polish is soft to avoid gouging the nail. Next, buff gently to smooth any cloudy finish, and then wash your hands with warm, soapy water to remove residual acetone and particles, which preserves nail strength. Finish by massaging cuticle oil into each nail plate and surrounding skin, then apply a moisturizing hand cream so your nails recover from acetone exposure. If a stubborn patch remains, do a second 8 to 10 minute soak rather than scraping. Patience prevents damage. If you see ridges or lifting later, avoid immediate repolishing. Let nails rest 24 to 48 hours and use a strengthening base coat. Troubleshooting tip: if nails feel brittle, stop acetone use and increase oiling frequency until they regain flexibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.